Hey, it's the Together Project here again. Meet Laura from Your Telemarketing. Here are her top 5 tips for sounding great on the phone. Top tip number 1, preparation. If you know you're going to have a conversation with a potential employer, then make sure you're ready for that call. The best thing to think about is what you want to achieve from the call. Top tip number 2, build rapport. You can build a relationship from the moment you pick up the phone. The best way to do this is to echo their pace and tone. Ask for their name and use it throughout the conversation. Top tip number 3, ask questions. Questions will help you get the most out of the call. Ask some open questions, ones that don't require a one-word answer. Top tip number 4, listen. And I mean really listen. They'll be able to tell if you're not, so make sure you're not distracted and can focus on what's being said. And finally, top tip number 5, energy. Try smiling when you talk, it really lifts your voice. And be enthusiastic.